If you are a US certified management accountant or an accounting professional, you already know that keeping your certification active means earning continuing professional education credits every year.
But let's be honest, navigating the CPE requirements can be confusing and overwhelming. With so many options, you might be wondering, what's the easiest way to earn CPE credits? Do I have to attend long, expensive courses? Can I earn credits without disrupting my work schedule?
Great news! Earning your CPE credit doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, there are several flexible, convenient, and even enjoyable ways to meet your requirement while enhancing your professional skills. Whether you prefer learning at your own pace, attending interactive workshops, or even sharing your expertise as a speaker, there is an option that fits your schedule and career goals. In this video, I will walk you through 7 ways to earn CPE credits without stress. Enrolling in a college or university course that lasts at least 10 weeks is a great way to earn CPE credits while deepening your knowledge of accounting and finance. These courses can be taken in person or online and are typically taught by qualified accounting professionals, college accounting department, or industry experts.
By choosing this route, you not only fulfill your CPE requirements but also enhance your credentials and stay updated with the latest developments in the accounting profession. Be sure to select an accredited course that aligns with the CPE guidelines and keeps track on your attendance and coursework for proper documentation.
If committing to the full-length college course seems overwhelming, short courses and seminars provide more flexible and accessible alternative. These structured learning programs, lasting 10 weeks or less, covers various accounting, finance, and business topics.
One of the biggest advantages of attending professional US CMA seminars is the opportunity to network with fellow professionals, industry leaders, and subject matter experts. These sessions are often interactive and engaging, allowing you to learn cutting-edge industry trends, regulatory updates, and best practices in the ever-evolving dynamic field.
Note: only do these events help you earn CPE credits, but they also enhance your professional network and career opportunities. Always ensure that the seminar is accredited and provides proper documentation for CPE verification. Earning a professional designation is a powerful way to advance your career. And the good news is that some of these certification exams can also count towards your CPE credit. However, there is an important rule to keep in mind. You cannot claim both exam itself and the hours spent on prep course or self-study program for the same exam.
This means you need to strategically plan how you will allocate your CPE credits. If you're taking a professional exam, verify with the IMA or the National Association of State Boards of Accountancy to ensure that the exam qualifies for CPE credit. Proper documentation such as official results or certificates of completion will be required to claim your credits.
For busy professionals juggling work, family, and personal commitments, self-study course offers the most flexible and convenient way to earn CPE credit. These courses allow you to learn at your own pace from comfort of your home and anywhere wherein you have internet connection.
All you need is a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, and you can access a variety of CPE approved courses covering topics such as accounting standards, financial management, business ethics, and more. Most self-study programs including reading materials, interactive modules, quizzes, and a final assessment to test your understanding.
If you have expertise in accounting, finance, or business, serving as a college or university instructor can be a rewarding way to earn CPE credits. Teaching requires critical thinking, problem solving, and leadership skills, making it a valuable professional development activity that qualifies for the credit.
Whether you're lecturing, conducting workshops, or mentoring students, these instructional hours can count towards your CPE requirements. Additionally, being an instructor allows you to stay up to the date with industry advancements, improve your public speaking and presentation skills, and contribute to the growth of future professionals in the field.
If you enjoy sharing your knowledge and leading discussions, serving as a speaker or discussion leader in a seminar, workshop, or professional training session can also count towards your CPE credits.
To qualify, the course or seminar must be professional and business oriented, associated with a professional development center, linked to a college, university, or recognized industry organization. Each session you lead contributes to your CPE requirements, so whether you're presenting on industry regulations, financial strategies, or business ethics, your contributions are valuable.
For those who enjoy research and writing, creating and publishing, technical content is another excellent way to earn CPE credits. The IMA recognizes written contribution in the form of technical articles, monographs, that is detailed written studies on a specific topic, and books.
This method not only enhances your professional credibility, but it also allows you to contribute valuable insights to the industry.
However, to qualify for CPE credits, these material must cover topics approved by IMA and NASBA. While there are many flexible ways to get your CPE done, you have to ensure that the topics align with IMA and NASBA guidelines. A few key topics include accounting, business law, financial management, marketing, and ethics.
Additionally, topics like economics, organizational behavior, business applications of mathematics and statistics, and computer science are also eligible for CPE credit. These subjects are essential not only for meeting CPE requirements but also for keeping your skills sharp and relevant to your career in the finance industry.
And there you have it. 7 ways to earn CPE credits and maintain your certification. Whether you choose to take a course or write a paper or teach in class, there's a method that fits your schedule and career path.
So, which method works best for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional and US CMA related tips.